Hello, fellas watching around the world. Welcome back to another episode of Zaki Crypto Update, your best crypto plug, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the crypto world. Today, we've got a juicy topic, and Analyst believes XRP could see a surge of 10,000%. Yes, you heard that right, XRP could go parabolic. But hold on, there's a twist to this because there's also the risk of a significant crash of up to 72%. It's a do or die moment for XRP, and you don't want to miss out on this important update. So make sure to stay with me until the end of this video, give it your full attention, and let's dive deep into what's going on. Now, before we jump in, just a quick reminder, if you're enjoying this content so far, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest happenings in the crypto world. Also, drop your thoughts on XRP in the comments below. Where do you think XRP is headed, up to the moon or down to the depths? Let's get some predictions rolling. And as always, remember, this is not financial advice. Please do your research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. With that out of the way, let's dive right into it. Okay, so let's kick things off by exploring the bearish scenario. According to market analyst XRP, XRP is currently sitting at a very pivotal point. This isn't just some random moment for XRP, it's a make or break situation where we could either see massive gains or steep losses. On the downside, XRP predicts that XRP could fall by anywhere between 40% and 72%, which, let's be honest, sounds pretty concerning. Now, why is this bearish scenario even on the table? Well, it all comes down to XRP's current support levels. XRP has been tracking the Fibonacci retracement levels, which are crucial for understanding key points where XRP's price might either stabilize or break down further. If XRP breaks below the current support level at around $0.248, we could be in for a rough ride down. Let's break that down a bit more. If XRP slips below $0.248, the next level of support comes in at $0.159. Now, if we see a drop to this level, it represents a significant 39% decline from current prices. But wait, it doesn't end there. If this bearish momentum continues, XRP plummet even further down to $0.111. That would be a massive 72% crash. These projections are based on historical price movements and past trends, particularly looking at XRP's behavior since its all-time high back in 2018. If you've been in the XRP game for a while, you'll know that XRP has had multiple failed breakouts over the years. In fact, for the past few years, XRP has struggled to break out of the range between $0.50 and $0.90. Each time XRP attempted to rally beyond these levels, it got rejected, forcing the price back down. This constant rejection is one of the reasons why XRP sees the potential for a deeper decline. XRP has been stuck in a descending channel, a bearish price pattern, and if it doesn't break out of this, we could see the price keep sliding down. This is definitely something to keep an eye on, especially if you're thinking of making a move with XRP shortly. But hold on, folks, it's not all doom and gloom. Despite the bearish risks, there's also an incredible upside potential for XRP, and this is where things get really exciting. XRP's analysis also shows that if XRP can manage to break out of this long-standing downward trend, it could explode upward by a staggering 10,000%. Yep, you heard that right, minus 10,000%. That would send XRP's price soaring up to $26. So what could trigger this massive breakout? It all comes down to whether XRP breaks through its immediate resistance levels. The first key level to watch is $1.58. This has been a major sticking point for XRP for a while, and breaking through this level would be the first sign that we might be headed for a big rally. Once Scotch clears this hurdle, the next major resistance level sits at $3.31. From there, the sky's the limit, literally. According to the Fibonacci extensions, we're looking at potential price targets of $8.34 at the 1.272 extension and $26.57 at the 1.618 extension. These Fibonacci extensions are crucial because they show potential areas where XRP's price could head if it gains enough bullish momentum. Now, why would XRP explode like this? One reason is that XRP has a history of parabolic price moves. If we take a look at XRP's past, we can see that when the conditions are right, XRP can shoot up rapidly in a very short time. eGraq suggests that history could repeat itself here if XRP manages to break out of its descending channel and bulls step in to push the price higher. Another factor to consider is the macro environment. As we've seen in the past, significant events like legal rulings in the ongoing Ripple V's, SEC case could provide the necessary fuel to propel XRP to new highs. If Ripple secures a favorable outcome in this case, we might see a flood of institutional interest and adoption for XRP, driving prices higher. In summary, while there's always a risk of further decline, the upside potential is truly mind-boggling. If XRP breaks past those key levels, the possibilities are endless. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, what are the key levels I should watch for XRP? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's start with the support levels. To avoid further declines, XRP must hold above the $0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, which is currently around $0.248. This is the critical line in the sand that could determine whether we stay stable or drop into deeper bearish territory. If XRP breaks below this, we could see that dreaded fall to $0.159 and potentially even $0.111, as we discussed earlier. On the flip side, let's talk about resistance levels. The key resistance level we're watching is $1.58. If XRP manages to break above this, we could be looking at the beginning of that huge bullish run we've been talking about. Once XRP clears $1.58, the next target is $3.31. After that, we're looking at the Fibonacci extension levels of $8.34 and ultimately $26.57. These are the levels to watch very closely if you're an XRP trader or investor. The market could turn in either direction, and these support and resistance levels will give us a good indication of where XRP is heading next. So there you have it. Folks, XRP is at a critical juncture, and the next few weeks or months could be pivotal for its future price action. Whether you're optimistic about that 10,000% surge or more cautious about the potential for a 72% drop, it's important to stay informed and make sure you're prepared for any outcome. If you enjoyed this update, do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps the channel grow and lets me know that you're finding value in these updates. Also, don't forget to drop your thoughts on XRP in the comments below. Are you bullish or are you leaning more toward the bearish scenario? Let's get the conversation going, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications so you never miss another update. We've got a lot more exciting content coming your way, and you definitely don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is your best crypto plug signing off. Stay safe.